How to turn off auto answer in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you do that, you can see the search icon over here and the search bar. So tap on the search bar and search for call. As you type in call, let the process just start and have your options available over here. Now you can see the options of call settings. So tap on call settings over here. As you do that, you can see over here at the bottom the option of auto answer. So tap on it and here you can see the auto answer has been toggled on, and as it's toggled on, it automatically picks up the incoming calls and the setting has been set to always. So what you have to do is just toggle off this option and it will not automatically pick up the calls. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.